The Acre River has continued to swell beyond historic levels in western Brazil, forcing thousands of people to evacuate their homes. Only essential government services were left open in Rio Branco yesterday as the river flooded entire neighbourhoods in the city. Electricity has also been cut in parts of the city, affected by the severe flooding. The city has declared a state of emergency and has called on people to donate what they can for those affected. More than 6,000 people have taken refuge in the 5 emergency shelters that have been opened in the wake of the floods.